Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I am taking a look at the FastWay EA on the MQL5 Marketplace, and I'll walk through everything step by step as I scroll through the page, the features, and the backtest results. So first things first, this is listed on the MQL5 Marketplace under Experts by Pavel Udovichenko. From what is shown here, it is designed for the MetaTrader 5 environment, and the current price is 1,387 US dollars for the next 10 buyers, according to what we can see written here. The version here is 1.27 with the latest update on January 12, 2026, and it has 7 activations. Now, moving into the description, FastWay EA is described as a mean reversion system. It focuses on correlated currency pairs like AUDCAD, AUDNZD, NZDCAD, and EURGBP. The idea here is basically trading price movements that stretch too far from their average and then capturing the move back toward equilibrium. Scrolling a bit further, I can see it is designed with a set and forget approach, meaning it is built to run with minimal manual intervention once configured properly. It can be used as a standalone system or even as part of a wider portfolio of strategies, depending on how the trader wants to structure their account. One important thing I'm noticing here is the risk and structure side. It mentions a grid system is used, but importantly, there is no martingale involved. It also highlights a built-in exit mechanism that can close trades during prolonged drawdowns, which is basically designed to prevent positions from being held indefinitely in unfavorable conditions. It also takes into account multiple volatility inputs, not just price action. That includes volatility conditions from global stock markets, currency futures, and even options market signals tied to the traded pairs. So it is clearly trying to use broader market context, not just chart movement. Now, before jumping into testing, I also want to quickly highlight the setup requirements. They recommend a minimum deposit of around $1,500 with $2,000 suggested for better stability. Leverage of 1:100 or higher is recommended, along with a hedging account type and a low spread broker. They also recommend strongly running it on a VPS so it stays active 24/7. They also outline a specific setup process, including attaching the EA to charts and using specific pairs like AUDCAD, AUDNZD, NZDCAD, and EURGBP, depending on configuration. Now, moving into the backtesting section, I'm going to focus on the historical performance data shown here and how the EA behaved over the tested period. So what stands out during this historical testing is how the EA reacts during extended moves in the market. But let's just quickly look at the information that we're seeing here. So the default settings, medium risk from 2010 to 2025. We can see that the average annual return is roughly approximately 75%, maximum drawdown 44%. Okay, let us see. So from an initial deposit of $2,000, Total net profit was over $14.4 million. Total trades taken 6,671. And we can see that short trades were 3,687 with a 76.46% win rate. Long trades were 2,984 with a 76.61% win rate. So the profitable trades were 5,105, giving us a 76.53% win rate from the total trades taken. Okay, the largest profit was 55,374.34, and the largest loss was 142,678.75. Average profit was 4,615.79. Average loss 5,439.67. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, because the average loss is bigger than the average profit, but the win rate is quite good. All right, so considering the duration, that spanned, that the backtest was conducted over, it's not surprising to see a positive total net profit. But let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester so that we can also see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. So we tested the FastWay EA on AUDCAD, one of the recommended pairs, on the H1 time frame, using 2026 market conditions. So we tested from the beginning of 2026 till date. And for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server using the every tick modeling. All right, so from the backtest results, we can see that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was $11,732.87. Total trades were 29, short trades were 19 with 47.37% win rate. Long trades were 10 with 100% win rate. But then looking at the total profitable trades, there were 19 out of 29 trades, right? So means that the general win rate is about 65.52%, which is okay. Largest profit 2,624.12, largest loss 1,052.8. The average profit is 992.36, while the average loss 712.2. This tells me that the risk to reward ratio is fair, but it's not really good enough, because it's not even up to 1 ratio 1.5 on average, right? Judging from the average profit and average loss. Okay, but all things considered, it's not really surprising to see a total net profit of over 11% over 5 months. All right. So what stands out during this historical testing is how the EA reacts during extended moves in the market. Since it is a mean reversion system, you can see how it builds exposure during deviation phases and then attempts to manage exits as price returns back toward average conditions. Now, the grid structure becomes more visible, especially during periods where price moves in one direction for longer stretches. Rather than looking at this as live trading, I'm treating this as purely historical analysis of how the system behaved under past market conditions. And as with any backtest, longer periods are always more meaningful because they show how the strategy reacts across different volatility environments. Now, looking at the overall results from this historical testing, it gives a clearer picture of how the EA performs under its designed logic. But it's important to remember that results like this are still dependent on factors like broker execution, spreads, risk settings, and how the EA is optimized by the user. So my takeaway here is pretty simple. FastWay EA is structured around a fairly systematic mean reversion approach across correlated pairs with multi-layer volatility inputs and a controlled grid structure. But like any automated system, it really comes down to proper setup and testing before considering any live deployment. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.